Ever wasted hours downloading software? What if I told you Windows has a secret weapon to install any app in seconds? Spoiler, it's called Winget, and you're about to become a pro. Today, I'm installing TeraCopy, the best file transfer tool in 10 seconds. No browser, no ads, no bullshit. Just watch this. Step 1. Open PowerShell in admin mode. To do that, press the Windows key and the letter X together and select Windows PowerShell admin. And once opened, type Winget search TeraCopy. Hit enter. Boom! You will get the listing of TeraCopy. Done. Step 2. Type Winget install. Codesector.teracopy. Hit enter. Boom. Done. TeraCopy is installed before you could even Google it. Why this is a game changer? Why waste time? Winget lets you automate installs, avoid sketchy websites, and even update all apps with one command. Imagine doing this for Photoshop, Chrome, or literally anything. Bonus hack. Pro tip 1. Use Winget search to find apps instantly. Pro tip 2. Create scripts to install 50 apps in 2 minutes. Pro tip 3. Pair Winget with Microsoft Intune for God mode. IT admin powers. If you're not using Winget, you're living in 2010. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because next, I'm exposing Windows' hidden AI tools that'll blow your mind. Comment Winget if you're trying this today. You just saved 1 hour. Think what else you could do.